Traditional pipe clamps are now obsolete. Hey kids, and welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am Phil Shinbine, and this week we're going to be talking about Torquata's new double clutch pipe clamps. These are the coolest pipe clamps in the known universe, or at least this one anyway. What makes them so fantastic is they do work just the same as your garden variety, everyday, usual pipe clamps, in that you buy the ends, stick them on whatever length of pipe you got, and they do the job brilliantly. Fantastic clamping force. The handy thing about these ones in particular is that there is a clutch on both ends of the unit. Having a clutch on both ends of the unit makes it so that you are able to push the head or the foot together in towards the middle to keep the piece that you're working on centered in the middle of the pipe, weight-wise. Normally with a pipe clamp, one end of it will be screwed onto the tapered bit on the pipe, right? So then you are left with only one end being able to travel. And if you are using overly long pipes on a small project, then you have just a ton of pipe hanging out the back end, which if it weighs more than the project, it will pull it over and knock it over and can throw it on the bench and just ruin your day. It's just an annoyance, really. Having the clutch on both ends means that you can move them independently of one another. Did you notice how handy these handles are? With a traditional pipe clamp, you have this crank here, and if this pipe is sticking out, then it gets in the way and you just simply can't use it. So with these ones, you can now simply move it over and around like this, or you have the option to just, leave it this way. I tend to do this part for the most of it and then just go to this one. I need that last little crank, Archimedes style. Another handy feature about the dual clutch setup is that you can take one end and flip it around the other side so you can use these as a spreader. The handy thing about being able to use these pipe clamps as a spreader is in situations where your clamping pressure is bowing in the sides of the box that you're making, right? You can just use these to push them back out so that the ends of your box end up perfectly square. But wait, there's more. Another handy feature of these double clutch units is that you can turn one sideways and attach one clamp to another, right? So if you have put the glue on the box and you're putting it together and the clamp doesn't reach, which we've all done, and the time is ticking, you're under the pump, you can literally just take the end of two different clamps, turn them sideways, clamp them together, and you've suddenly got more clamp than you ever need. So there you have it, the Torquata double clutched pipe clamp, available here at Timbecon. Check the website, it's got everything you need to know to get woodworking, www.timbecon.com.au. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, all that yazz. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you. What? Go away. Dude.